Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can allow or don't allow apps inside the secure folder to use data while data saver is on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Now in the settings page, scroll down and tap on security and privacy. Next, we go down and tap on secure folder. Now sign into your secure folder with a fingerprint or a PIN or password. Then we go down and tap on more settings. Next, tap on data usage. At the top here, tap on data saver. Then tap on allow to use data while data saver is on. On the next screen, go down the list of apps and choose which apps can or cannot use data while data saver is on. So here, let's say I want private share to be able to use mobile data even when data saver is on. So I tap on the toggle button to switch it on. Otherwise, to disable it, just simply tap on the toggle button to turn it off. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key to go back to the secure folder settings, or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.